Hey guys! So I'm going to show you how to put together your fall box. These are all of the materials you should have for your box, and we're going to put it together. So you're going to want to tape it once across, and then once across each side, like this. Okay, so that's our box. Now we're going to put our tissue paper, one sheet on the bottom, just to line it. So just stuff it in there gently. And now, before we start, you have this sheet of bingo cards. So you're going to roll it up like this. And then we're going to use the rubber band that you should also have to just keep that in place. We're going to put that in, and we're going to put everything else in. So all of this stuff, let's put it in one at a time. Now you want to make sure that most things are lying flat. Some things can lie on top of each other. That's fine. Okay, so now we have everything in our box. We're going to take another sheet of tissue paper, and we're going to gently put it inside like that. And then, in addition, you'll all be receiving a sheet of marketing material and information about what's in the box, and that will go on top. And now we're ready to close our box. So like before, we put the short sides in first, and the long sides. We're going to tape it up just like we did the bottom, with one thing of tape across this way, and then two this way. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of these labels, and we're going to take it off, peel it, and put it right there on top of the box. Make sure it's a little bit even and straight, so it's going to look like this. This is how you put together your fall box.